All right, welcome to Kill the Market. This is Uncle Toro. Just got back from Canada where we were killing the salmon just like we're killing the market, baby. All right, we're going to jump in. This is going to be a 60-second chart review. We're going to quickly go through quite a few charts here in 60 seconds to show you what's coming tomorrow. All right, we are going to start with Apple. You can see here, gap down, had a very dropped at the beginning, nice push back up, not filling the gap, not doing much, kind of ugly. We'll see what happens. 310.74 would be the gap fill. We'll see what happens. We got 308.63 resistance. That'll be kind of a good gauge tomorrow. If we break that, we should fill the gap. AMD, bad day, rough day, ugly day. We opened up, that was a gap down. They tried to run it up, they failed miserably. That sold off. We're kind of in here in this space where you can typically get a lot of chop. Let's just see, we throw a line on that. Yeah, there's some, we got a hit. So what are we looking at? 469.50. See what happens there. If we gap below, maybe a bump back up there for a retest, then push down. Amazon can't get out of its own way, keeps trying to get these all-time highs. This is the previous all-time high here back from May. You can see we broke it on this gap up run, hit my other trend line, failed, pushed back down, not able to get another close over this level, 278.56. Bulls really got to push that strong to get through. If they can't, we could come back down. We have a lot of stuff going on here, right? So we have the previous all-time high, we have this extended trend line and the main trend line. We are above the main trend line, but we're kind of stuck here. We'll see what they want to do. Google had a nice bounce today, very strong day, hammer on the daily, save the weekly, went down on the week, pushed back up. It's got room to the upside here. We'll see what happens. Let's see, Intel, what a load of crap this is. You can see we had the big sell-off. We bounced here, nothing really going on. They're pushing it right back. Couldn't hold that 99.50 level. And we're kind of down here. If it can't regain the weekly pivot, 97.90, we're going to see much more downside. We have the gap here. Boom. We'll be seeing this shortly, I believe. 94.32 goes to 91.68. Meta really tried to push today, couldn't do it, got hammered back down. It got saved off my 592.60 level. We'll see what happens tomorrow. If that breaks again, we're going to push down here. We could see 582 somewhere down there. Not a good look. Microsoft had that push. Let's see where it is. I don't know what this is going to look like. Let's see. We'll see if there's something here. You can see that, yeah, it's kind of been some resistance here. Some support resistance previously. Rejected here. 513.73 was the high. Pushing back down. The weekly pivot, 505.18. It was able to hold that. That'll be our key for tomorrow, long or short. Keep an eye on that level. MU. PU. Here we go. Not much to look at. It's had the breakout, not really holding very well here. The open tomorrow is going to be key. Sometimes when they push this sideways out of the trend, it can then get that push. So we'll really be looking for a down day. We got, let's change this. All right, we're looking for a down day. We have 585.50. Then we got actually quite a bit of stuff going on here. Now we're looking at 854.40. Below that, not pretty. Netflix holding the breakout, holding strong here. You can see that trend sold off quite a bit. Now kind of pushed up. Held the breakout, retested, and boom, now we're going. We got not much between here and, let's see, I would say we stop at 78.19, and the next is 82.35. Watch those two levels. NVIDIA. It's huge. It's great. We got a gap here, and we're going to fill it. Push down here. We got our daily 216.77. Then it could sandwich 216.40. Little support there, not much. We do have our gap. It's going to hit 214.87 and 213.06. Semis sell off today. We'll see if that continues. PLTR just booming since earnings. push, didn't even get to the retest, and they just pushed it even more. You can see where we did hit our high here, this 180-ish level. That's definitely had some support resistance effect in previous. Not able to break it today. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Maybe a little pullback for where we go, but PLTR staying strong. PayPal, boom off the earnings, bang, up. Consolidation, another push. We're still going. Does it have more juice? I think it does. That weekly level. What is the weekly level? We got to move it. We didn't reset. Weekly level, $59.99, that $60 psych level. You can see how it's affected the chart in previous weeks. You can see here, big time, again in here, again over here. So that 60 is a big level for PayPal. Above that, could even run even farther, but we got to break it first. Q, off that huge week breakout, kind of retesting here. If we look on the day, breakout, retest, push back up. Kind of a weird day today. Red day, sold off a little bit, not too far from open. Nah, I'm not too worried about it. I think we still have more upside. SpaceX booming. Breakout, retest, gone. This was off earnings. This pullback here. This is when everyone was scared that it was going to go to zero because they're a bunch of freaking morons. Bang. That's what you get. Shorts. Bang. Take it. Bang. SPY. What are we doing? This was our close at all-time high. We had the gap up sell-off, pushed back up. Where did this close? This closed at 77326, below that that previous high. It's still not able to get a close over that level. Boom, bang. 77162 to the downside, could see more. If we can get a close over that 77341, we are gone. Tisler, here's Tisler. We had that sell off, found some support here, really nice reversal candle, push to the upside, couple down days, now we're back at it. We do have an inside day here. It did close over my trend line. Okay, so we did get a close above. We break this to the upside, we're going to see, let's see, 332.05 goes to 333.73, 339. Could be a big day for Tesla. I like what I'm seeing. Market's hot, semi selling off. Look for your other opportunities and make it easy on yourself. Play the trend. The trend is up. Look for those up stocks. Like, subscribe, do what you got to do. Follow us, listen to us. We are the future. Kill the market.